In this video, we're going to go over another Canva app that allows us to manipulate text within our designs to make them multicolored. Check it out. All right, for this tutorial, go to any template you want within any project that you're working on. For this one, what we want to do is we want to have some text here and we want to play around with the colors of the text. For this, go to Apps, type in Type Gradient, and then click on the app Type Gradient. You'll want to open it, and then from here we can put whatever we want in here. For this one, I'm just going to pick a random name here and a random animal. So we got Scott's frog. All right, frogs are not this color, so what we're going to do is click on it, and we're going to start that with green, and go to the next one. There we go, and then maybe end with a bluish, greenish color here. There we go. All right, so we have Scott's frog. Let's try to move this just a little bit. There we go. Love it. So we have Scott's frog. We're going to add it to the design, and now we could play around with it and really get our image there to look a lot better. All right. If we want, we can change the alignment, update that, and now we have it in the middle. So there's how you change the gradient of text.